Hello, welcome to this new series that I decided to start on the channel. I will call it Weekly Favorites, where I will publish every week a video sharing some of the cool stuff I found on the internet. All kinds of cool stuff: books, blogs, articles, tweets, videos, podcasts, movies, documentaries, websites, courses, apps, you name it. Basically anything I found cool and interesting. Anything that can entertain or educate you, or add value to your life some way or another. This is the first episode in the series, so without further ado, let's get started. The first gem I want to share with you in this episode and in the series in general is this amazing book that I've just finished reading. Building a Second Brain by Tiago Forte is one of the best life-changing books I read in my life. It changed completely how I function, think and view productivity and creativity. It changed how I consume and create. My favorite passage is, "Information is the building block of everything you do." I was on fire after reading this. I realized that everything I consume, thought of and learned is just a building block I can use in a future project, whether it's a YouTube video, tweet, essay or anything else. So capturing this information or building a second brain is absolutely vital in today's world to stay productive and creative. Add this book to the top of your reading list and start reading it as soon as possible, because it teaches you the skills necessary to thrive as a knowledge worker in the 21st century. Whether you are a teacher, writer, content creator, developer, designer, or any other craft, your work is dependent on information and knowledge. By reading this book, you will learn how you can build a bank of knowledge, aka a second brain, that you can use to produce and create effortlessly. The second gem in our list is a video by John Fish, one of my favorite YouTubers that I highly recommend to follow. In this video, he discusses the idea of learning for fun, or learning for the sake of learning, not because you have a test or need to do an assignment. Continuous learning has many benefits. Hobbyists through history made major contributions to fields they are not part of. Having skills and knowledge in diverse fields and domains makes you more valuable and unique. For example, if you are a great programmer and you can also write clearly and have a sense of humor, you can write fun to read technical articles and books in a way very few people can do. This is what Naval Ravikant called specific knowledge, a unique set of knowledge and skills that society or school can't train you for and therefore can't replace you, and it's achieved through following your own curiosity. All you need is the internet and the hunger for learning. Another tradition we will have in this series is looking up a tweet or tweet storm each week. Beside reading books and blogs, I love to read tweets. I believe it's a highly valuable medium. I think the secret is because it's super short, you can learn something in less than a minute, plus it's educational and fun. Enough talk and let us see this week's tweet from Stinge Norman. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. If you think failed, you're right. If you think you learned, you're right. It's all about perspective. And he's absolutely right. From my experience, I learned that anything from my mood to my level of productivity all depends on my perspective. If it's negative, I will have negative outcome. If it's positive, I will have positive outcome. It's about evaluating yourself. Nobody will do this for you. Giving yourself positive feedback on the stuff you do will help you feel better about yourself and even more motivated to keep going. I'm not saying don't do the hard work. All I'm saying is that keeping a positive vibe will help you get more stamina to not give up. Try it and you will see what we're talking about here. Tweak your perspective for a day and see your mood and how you feel about yourself and what you do. Learning to code is one of the most important skills to learn right now for all kinds of reasons. It can help you in your job by automating repetitive tasks or invent tools to become more productive, land a job as a software engineer, or build your own tech startup. If you're thinking about learning this skill, FreeCodeCamp is one of the best places you can learn at for free. The best thing about this website is that you learn by doing. There is hundreds of challenges, problems to solve and projects to build. You will learn many skills, and if you complete the whole thing, you will become a full-stack web developer, mastering both the front end and back end using market standard tools and libraries such as React, Node, Express, and MongoDB. The internet is a fascinating place. There's a lot of cool stuff that could educate you or entertain you. As I said, I will share with you each week the gems I discover that I believe could add some kind of value to your life. Tell me in the comments your thoughts on this concept of videos. Do you like it? Do you think it's cool? I hope you find this useful. Thanks for your attention and see you next week.